welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys it's our Volkswagen campervan build. So we're going to do stage 78 of Build the Volkswagen Campervan, and yeah, we're going to be finishing off that side door today. I believe it's the left side door, so yeah, that's going to really look interesting because well, we've been working on it for the last few issues, so yeah. Now I do know once we finished on this door we are going to be working on the next door as well. So not much really let up from this one for a while, but it's nice to be working on the nice shiny bodywork. And yeah, it's been a strange build where building the interior first has seemed to happen, and yeah, but I'm really chuffed to get on with this one today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so right side door and final assembly of the left one. That's a different way of saying things, but yeah, okay. Right, so first of all what we need to do is we've got these two parts here. We need to make a strap. And what we need to do is basically pop this over there, just like that. We need to bring our door card over. And we're going to basically be putting this onto here. And then we need to screw that from behind with some BP03 screws. Now, I think the thing about this is going to be the hardest bit is going to be lining it up to get the screws in. So what I might do, it doesn't help that the screws are quite huge for the hole that they've providing. So I'm thinking what I might do is while I put that on there flat, blooming heck. Start the screw off. I'll start both of these off. Which they are. Well, they are now. Okay. We'll get this sort of lined up. And then hopefully we'll be able to get the screw through. Maybe I have to push these through a bit more. Right, because they are not coming through whatsoever. Why are they not coming through? Well, they are starting to now, but it's definitely BP03 screws. Just bringing this closer to my chest. Yeah, you see they're coming through, but not a lot. That might be why. So, my mistake, completely ignore my advice there. So I thought we were screwing this in from behind, but we're not. We're actually screwing it in from the top. So, that in place there. and then screwing it in through here. That was my mistake. Might be tempted to paint them screws, to be honest with you. Okay, right, so next what we need to do is we need to get the handle. This can only go on one way, but this one we are definitely screwing it from behind, and that's again with another BP03 screw. Okay. Right, so next what we need to do, we need to bring our door across, because we are basically going to be putting this into place. Just like so. And then we need to screw this down with 4 BP03 screws. Now, the door is looking amazing. I'm not too keen on the black screws showing. So I might, excuse me, if I can, try and paint these, because I don't know if we're going to get any stickers, but I'd have to match up the paint. I don't think I've got this colour. So that's something I definitely have to look at. Unless they're going to give us some stickers to go over the screws. I definitely don't have this grey. Oh, and I just dropped a screw. Can I find it without having to sweep the floor? Probably not. Ah, found it. There we go. Oh. And there we go. That's this stage complete. So yeah, I'm very tempted to paint them black screws there, because I think they look not so great. And then maybe colour match for this grey, because it's going to be the same inside. So maybe find some paint that will cover that grey. But that is this stage complete. That is the left door complete. So that is stage 78 done. Well guys, that's it for stage 78 of the Volkswagen Campervan. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, I think I'm definitely going to have a look at maybe finding a solution for them black screws. Maybe see if I can find a paint that I can match on the on a colour chart, and then paint them black screws. I do have some silver paint that I can definitely use for the black screws with the chrome. But yeah, I think it's definitely crying out. And I'll look to the pictures, and I can't see the black screws visible on that build. But yeah, I think it's going to look a little bit awful with the screw heads showing. So definitely something to look for over the next week or so. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always guys, stay safe and bye for now.